Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile phone battery lab setting, and today video title is guys how to on ultra battery saver mode, how to on battery saver in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use battery saver mode settings, so how to use battery saver one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your mobile, open your phone battery setting. After your phone battery setting friends, you want to use battery setting, so friends click here, and friends you can use power boost reminder setting, and friends you can on battery saver from here. You want to on battery saver, right click here, you can on battery saver, and you don't want to use, so you can turn off from here. And friends, you want to use your mobile ultra power saving mode setting, ultra power mode. So friends, right click here, and friends you can check notification only calls, SMS and calendar are available after enable ultra battery saver mode. Friends, you can see again this notification ultra battery power saving mode setting after enable, you can use only calls, SMS and calendar setting. After enable friends, you can check we cannot use any app except phone calls, messages and calendar. So like that friends, ultra battery saver mode will enable in your device. So when you don't have battery, so you can enable your ultra battery saver mode. After enable guys, you can use only phone calls setting, messages setting and calendar setting. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends click here quiet option. Are you sure you want to disable your ultra power saving mode? Yeah, yes, I want to disable. So friends, automatic your ultra power saving mode will disable and you cannot use. Again you want to use friends, again open your phone battery setting and you can on ultra power saving mode from here. Again notification friends, click here enable option, and you don't want to use, click here cancel option. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use ultra power saving mode and how to on battery saver in Infinix mobile. Bye friends.